can't shut off for me and me no feel that. Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Squash 6 Bars just released a new song titled Harry Shut, and it's a powerful subliminal message directed at Prince Swanny and Plumpy Boss with confirmation to back it up. This is something you don't want to miss, so stick around. Also, Ayetian AR interview where he speaks about Vybz Kartel and his upbringing. Also, St. Kitts prosecutor charge. Now, Squash kicks off the song and said no boy can't fire shot after him and him no kill them. Chop off your HEAD and drink rum on your skull cap. This is clearly a diss aimed at Plumpy Boss, who was shot in the head in St. Martin. Not long after that incident, Squash released a song mocking Plumpy Boss saying get up now. Now Squash also shades Prince Swanny in regards to the attack on Prince Swanny life at his home in Florida, a state Squash also resides in. While Prince Swanny has been trying to keep the incident under wraps, Squash and the Six know the truth, and Squash is making it clear if you call yourself a bad man but don't retaliate when someone shoots after you, you're not as bad as you claim to be. Now Squash isn't just talking. Squash badness has been making headlines. Remember, Squash friend J-Man is currently in custody in Florida after a situation where shots were allegedly fired after Squash, and allegedly that same incident was linked to the death of 2 individuals, and Squash name was mentioned in that shooting. Squash said scam, build house and buy a lot of ammunition. Once somebody should die, then them start the car and circle them brawling.
No boy can't shut off for me and me no feel that. Cut off your head, drink rum for your skull cap. Puff fast. Scam bill house by gun and enough shot. Pussy wall that. Fan a boy fi dead we start carrying and turn back.
Now, in another verse, Squash reminisces about his upbringing. Glen Devon, I grew up at Salt Spring, I'm wicked and bad. Squash is basically comparing his life in Salt Spring to another rough areas in Jamaica like Tivoli, Spanish Town, Watah, and places like those, right, where the street teach you harsh lessons that you must learn and you have to learn. So Squash wants you to know he's ready for the war. Shot a man now and kill him and brag. 9x19, open up your head. So to Squash, it's about the last laugh. If you diss him, you'll pay the price. Even if someone else get you first, him a go laugh, and if him catch you, then guess what, him a go brag about it.
Glen Devon, I saw spring man, grow man, wicked and bad. Shot boy, broad day, kill him and brag. 9x19, swing him like flag. Laugh, me no laugh it, boy. Hanging and chopping needle. Left your down in a gun, so the that are evil. Can't catch Harry, catch his shot, killer people.
Alright, so Squash again sends a direct warning to Prince Swanny and Plumpy Boss again. Now, Squash said if a man shoots after you and you do nothing about it, you're not as bad as you make it to be. Them should get them head top open up. So anybody who this and shoot after you, you need to go for them right away. Shot fly through your button shirt. So no closed door, no barrier can't stop these bullets. So Squash also big up KB, Byron Messiah's manager, now repping One Kel's badness. So if you diss KB, just know as some luxury cars are circle your block.
Come on now, really? Shut off a whoop pussy, you don't get a head top open up wide. Shot fly through button shot. Hell gates make boy face putty up. This KB, rain to you push me a back jelly.
Weird, galang gal. When you're under your molly, you're galang bad. Panta for me cocky of the balance pan.
Ayetian draws inspiration from Vybz Kartel and Tamale. He said he listens to a lot of Tamale. Now, when you hear Ayetian voice, you know where that style came from. So Ayetian credits Tamale influence, but also I feel like the artist had his own twist to create a unique sound that is uniquely his.
Listen to a lot of Kartel and Tommy Lee. Some chronics.
Dancehall on me everything, you see me? So I basically do vibe when I get funny.
Would you say that you're more of a rapper or a DJ?
A DJ, but I'm versatile still. Test me.
Go on.
One Ayetian, any other Ayetian, a babe and fling. This rife, alright, me now say them things they on TV still, you know. But watch out, weird. Me have the voice, me have the stage performance, you know, me have the flow. I know, so me have the knowledge same way. 11 subject me have.
Crown Counsel Chantrice Dorset in St. Kitts and Nevis faces 6 charges for allegedly aiding a murder suspect, Kyron Phillips, in evading capture by fleeing the country by sea. Now, the charges include accessory after the fact to murder, corruption, misconduct in public office, and 3 counts of attempting to pervert the court of justice. Now, Ms. Deraisx is accused of using her role as a prosecutor to counsel Philip, assist him in avoiding trial for multiple crimes, and attempt to surrender the murder weapon under an amnesty program. The case stems from the July 2024 murder of Akeem Archibald, who was shot with a high-powered automatic rifle. Philip, the main suspect, remains at large, while his relative BJ Tuckett faces charges related to the weapon. Now, Ms. Deraisx denied bail, is currently on remand. Now, the Director of Public Prosecution expressed regret over the charges, and she said that Ms. Deraisx's presumption of innocence and warned against speculation or leaks that could prejudice the case. Now, law enforcement units involved in the investigation were commended for their effort. Now, if the allegation against Shantrese Deraisx are true, they represent a serious betrayal of public trust, right? As a Crown Counsel, Ms. Deraisx's role is to uphold the law and not to undermine it. So making the charges against her particularly concerning, because when someone in a position of authority manipulates the system, it make people lose trust in the justice system, and prosecutors are entrusted, right, to seek justice for victims and ensure fairness. Now, of course, the principle that one is innocent until proven guilty is a cornerstone of the justice system. So Shantrese Deraisx, like anyone else, right, has the right to present her defense and have her case heard fairly in court.
What are your parents doing now? How have they managed to establish themselves in Jamaica?
Mommy a chill right now. She a do farming still, you know, Mount Pelpa side. Crops, ground provision, you know, livestock, you know, say cow, goat and everything there. It's much better than in Haiti, as they said, you know. We actually own acres and stuff. So, you know, say them have ownership of something. They're grateful for that. Even when figure record, before me get the breakthrough, figure record, my parents' life crops me have to take, you know, actually walk up and down through the community and sell. You see me, forget something to put on my foot when video I shoot and this and that.
Was school your thing, or you were just strictly focused on the music?
Me did have to learn, me did actually want something out of life, you know, but when we reach a certain point, me I said, sure, this not teach me what I want to know, you know. I want to be a musician. Even the music classes, no artists now have no space in there, so I don't want to learn to play no instruments or nothing like that.
You'd be surprised. It would widen your perspective in many ways.
Well, yes, but watch, you know, my voice is my instrument, you know, I me use.
But hooked by music.
Right now, half I pitney them in a school, Devo know what them go do. Them no need no flute, no drums, no piano, no.
You think that sort of sets them back?
No man, it depends.
No, that's the video for today. If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.